चलो. You may start.
Me?
यार
56 वाला है, goals वाला.
बोलो.
Setting goals is very essential in our life. Goals give us the direction to our life. If we do not have the goals in our life, it means we have nothing to do in our life. There is a quotation, former President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, that always set up high goals, struggle for achieve them. I set up short time goals for myself, such as doing well in exam and working hard to achieve those goals. But ultimately, long-term goals give us a comfortable life to me and my family. I have seen many times my family struggle for finance, so I want to give them an easy life. I have completed my master in chemistry and now I have planned to go to abroad for my higher education. I can understand easily that I have a long way before I can achieve my goal. First, I will complete my higher education in Canada. Then hopefully I will get a good job and start earning well over there. I have seen many I have seen my many relatives who are in Canada. They are living very lavish lifestyle. Now my parents look upon me so that I could do something for them. They have saved some money to send me Canada. I will have to do part-time work over there so that I could cover my all expenses. I don't want to put any burden on my parents. I hope I'm able to achieve my goals one day. It is my belief that if God has given us so much, it is our responsibility to share it with pods. I would be very happy if I do such kind of things in our life for others.
Very good. You've completed it dot on 2 minutes. And go to abroad नहीं होता, go abroad होता है. Okay. Otherwise, you spoke well, but there is an element of cramming in it. You speak this cue card 10, 12 times in front of the mirror. That will go. Okay. Once you are done with it, do that. Otherwise, you made no mistake as such.
But goal का pronunciation was wrong, ma'am.
Goals. क्या बोला था इन्होंने?
मैम याद नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ गलत लगा था.
Setting goals is very essential in our life. Goals give us the direction to our life. If we do not have the goals in our life, it means we have nothing to do in our life.
I think the pronunciation is correct. किसी एक जगह गलत निकल गई होगी, but he has spoken it correct. Okay. Okay. So, yes.
Ma'am Dhwani, ma'am, can I also?
Let us go to the intro sets, and then by the end of the session, we'll see.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So intro sets also I would like one by one. I think we'll say 4 or 5 questions per student, then everybody will get a chance. Okay. So who would like to come in first?
Shall I try, ma'am?
Yes, Tina. Just give me 1 minute. Hello.
हेलो.
हाँ जी. Class चल रही मेरी online. If you can be quick.
Okay. No, I can call later.
Okay. Yes. I'm sorry I didn't mute. Okay. Okay. So, Sina, first set. May I know your full name?
My name is Sina Thomas. You can call me Sina. The meaning of my name is silkworm, and I'm really proud of my name.
Okay. How may I address you?
Ma'am, you can call me Sina.
May I see your ID?
Yes, of course.
Here is my passport. You should open your passport like this, in front, like this, and like this, and say, here's my passport. Give it to the examiner, facing the examiner. Okay, that will be the best way to answer this question. Most polite way. Okay, here is my passport. Where do you come from?
I come from Chennai. It is an old city, almost 400 years old. It is very famous for its old buildings. For example, old churches, temples. Mahabalipuram is very, very famous. And there is a war cemetery near to my home, which is very famous, and people laid their lives during the independence of India.
Okay. Um, what do you do? What work do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a chemistry teacher. I'm teaching 11th and 12th students.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job. I'm very much fascinated to teach others, and I believe that I am a good teacher who's not biased and who makes the subject simple for the students to understand.
Okay. You miss being a student.
Yes, of course. I feel like going back again because that time I feel that I was more carefree. I don't have to be like I don't have any responsibility that time.
You
But
should
once
say I didn't have any responsibility, not don't have. Okay. I didn't have. That is the only mistake you did in the whole of the interest, all the intro sets that I asked you. And
Okay.
these are very, very well answered, very well, naturally, very well, good fluency. See na?
Okay, but I'm not able to prepare, ma'am. Like what I look at, no, and later
Don't
ma'am is
prepare,
asking,
don't prepare. You don't need to prepare. Be natural.
but ma'am, I'm making mistakes like did not and will.
And so
Word
that you will be corrected when you practice, but don't prepare as such, like don't mug up things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That is not needed for you. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
let me put Naughty down because he has started singing. Done. Yeah. Come. Okay. Next, who will answer?
Baljeet ma'am.
Okay, Baljeet. What subjects are you studying?
What subject? Ma'am, like I'm not a student, ਤੇ ma'am ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ?
If you are not a student, you can say I am not a student anymore. I am working, but I studied these subjects. You can
Okay.
take the teacher because see, you are preparing for academic. Okay.
Yes,
And these are the students, these are the questions for the academic students. And if you are not, a student anymore, you lead the examiner to go into the past tense. Okay. You can say, I'm not a student anymore, but I've studied, I've done this course. My subjects were. Okay. You can go to that word from the R.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The question is in the present tense. What subjects are you studying? So you can say, I'm not a student anymore.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I've done my, what have you done? Then you speak that. Okay. And then you give the answer. So what subjects are you studying?
Well, I am not a student anymore, but I have completed my diploma and degree in nursing.
Okay. So my subjects were, bolo?
And my subjects were medical, surgical nursing, and fundamental nursing. And apart from this,
Galsun, subjects are noun, they're medical, surgical. Are these the name of the subject?
yes, ma'am.
Medical?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nursing is medical, surgical nursing.
Medical nursing, surgical nursing, say like that, the name, complete name of the subject. Okay.
Ma'am, it's like combines.
Book upar ki naam hunda hai?
Ma'am, medical, surgical nursing.
Okay, medical, surgical nursing, medical and surgical nursing. So speak like that, okay? Like that. Okay.
मैम
Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम अगर हमने ऐसे बोलना हो अगर हमने अपनी स्टडीज कंप्लीट कर ली
Speak in English. Yes.
मैम if we completed our studies then we can say that I had completed my studies and now I'm pursuing my IELTS classes to brush up my communication and English skills.
Na. IELTS classes kuch nahi hundiyan. IELTS the name of a test hai. Don't speak about IELTS. You've just completed your studies. Plus 2 कितनी है ना अर्शप्रीत?
Yes ma'am.
तो प्लस 2 ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ स्टूडेंट ही हो तुसी हले और बाहर पढ़न नहीं जा रहे हो ना, so you are still a student. With Baljeet it is different. She has completed her studies. You have not completed your studies. So तुसी summer vacation ਵਿੱਚ you don't cease being a student. Okay, you are a student. This is just a break. छुट्टियां ने पेपर होए ने या जो भी आजकल the situation different है, but you are a student and you have still to study. Okay.
Okay ma'am, so
IELTS ਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ.
So what can I say when they ask me the question what you are studying now?
I've just completed my senior secondary. My subjects were
Okay,
So nothing different to what I told Baljeet. Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, Baljeet, why did you choose to study these subjects?
The first reason is that because I'm always interested in the in nursing field. So, and also my one of my aunt is also a nurse.
One of my ke baad hamesha please.
Aunts.
This is a common mistake that the students are doing in the writing also. One of my aunts, one of my friends, one of my uncles, one of my cousins, like that. So one of my aunts, okay?
One of my aunts is also a nurse, and she always motivate me to be a nurse. And I also really feel very. I also feel good when to help people in treating their disease.
So you can say the first reason was that because आपने बीच में डाल दिया, that was overdoing.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So
ma'am,
why
and there is a one more mistake. She
Yes.
motivate bola. She motivates you.
she motivated me बोलना है ना, अब तो बन चुकी nurse.
हाँ जी.
She always motivated me to become a nurse. Okay.
Okay.
By looking at her, I felt motivated. Okay.
Okay.
So like that you can say. Okay. Did you like your subjects?
Yes, of course. I like my subject very much because they are interesting, and I also applied these all tricks in real life because I can help my family members and neighbors by studying these subjects in helping them in their disease in their disease condition.
When they are unwell in their disease.
When they are
When they are
unwell.
not well, when they are not feeling well. Did you prefer to study in the mornings or afternoons?
Well, most of the time I prefer to study in the morning because in the morning there is less noise than the daytime, and apart from this, in the morning time the mind is fresh and I am able to concentrate more on my studies.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे answers बोले हैं. Baljeet, very nice. Okay, Ajay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, but I am in office, ma'am.
Okay, you can't answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Sorry,
May
ma'am.
I try?
Ma'am, may I, Shaina?
May I, ma'am?
Okay, one by one, all of you will come up. Okay. So Shaina, do you
Yes,
live in
ma'am.
a house or a flat?
I live in a house. It has a beautiful house, and it's
Has a beautiful house. See, I'm going to correct you side by side in these questions because I live in a house. It has a beautiful house.
it has a 4 bedrooms with attached
It
bathroom.
has 4 bedrooms.
It has 4 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms,
I
and
live in a house. It is a beautiful house. It has a beautiful house. No, it is a beautiful.
is
house.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is a
Okay.
beautiful house. It has 4 bedrooms. Okay.
Okay.
Please describe your house a little.
Okay, I live in a city, and there is a houses, and I live in a house. It is a
I
beautiful
told
house.
you to describe your house. Why do you come to your city, Shaina? What are you doing?
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, ma'am.
These are intro questions. Be
Okay, ma'am.
direct. Okay.
I live in a house. It is a beautiful house. It has 4 bedrooms with attached bathroom. In my house, one small kitchen, one kitchen, and in a kitchen it has a
So
small kitchen garden.
in my house, one small kitchen. This sentence does not have any verb, and a
There is
sentence without a verb is like a person without a backbone.
Okay.
Here is the ma'am.
There
There
is
is a-
one kitchen.
there is a modern kitchen which is
There
up
is
to
one
date.
kitchen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So like
Okay,
that
ma'am.
you can say. What's your favorite room in your house?
In my house, my room is my favorite room because this room is decorated by me, and yeah, I feel more comfortable in my room.
Okay. What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
I do many things to look beautiful to my room.
Okay. Now listen, all of you. There's a learning thing for you. Any question which has a have in it, the answer will have a have in it. Okay?
Okay.
Learn that. Okay? These are the ways I teach. Okay, just go for it. Have. What have you done? The
I have
examiner's English is being tested. Examiner is putting the third form of the verb with the have. All you have to do is put the have and the third form of the verb as the examiner has spoken in your first sentence of answer, and your answer will be grammatically correct.
Yes,
What have you done to your room to make it look nice? I have done many things to my room to make it look nice. एक sentence तो ऐसे बोल दो. Okay, I have done many things, and then I have decorated it nicely. Okay, like that, whatever.
According to my taste.
Yes, see, it makes small sentences, and the way you speak should come out, and that is how you will do it. Okay, what? Okay, who do you live with?
I live with my parents and siblings.
Okay, go on speaking till I throw the next question. Okay. Okay. Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
Most of the time, we spend the time together in a living room. We watch TV when we sit together, and we also take a dinner together because
We
in
also
a night
take a dinner together. Why
take
the
dinner. Take
Yes.
dinner
Yes.
together, and we also discuss about about the day together.
We also discuss about the days happening with each other.
Okay.
Okay, days happening with each other.
Day to
Days
day
happening.
Days
Day-
happening, not day to day happening.
Day
Who's the
happening.
Days
They're
happening.
happening together in the living room.
Okay. How long have you been living there?
I living there since my birth.
I
I
have.
have been.
I have been. Sorry, ma'am.
I have.
I have been living there since my birth. Okay.
I have been living since my
Okay.
birth.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर ये कहना हो कि ये 4-5 साल से रह रही
I
हैं
have been living there for the past 4-5 years.
For
Yeah,
the
since
past, okay.
2015.
Okay,
Since के
okay,
साथ
okay.
point of time लगा दो, for के साथ period of time लगा दो.
ओके मैम ओके
ठीक है?
यही कंफ्यूजिंग लगता था मैम
Simple है ना?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
हर चीज को इजी बना देते हो
हाँ, easy है easy. आप लोग difficult बनाते हो.
Ma'am, you are looking beautiful today.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
He always
Thank
looks beautiful.
Thank you. Okay. Next questions, 5-6 questions per student so that everybody gets a chance. Okay. So who is next?
Miss Suman.
Suman. Okay, Suman. Do you plan to live there a long time?
For the moment, I am planning to live here a long time because I am working on my permanent residence. So I think so.
Permanent residency. Okay. Working on
Permanent
आप कहाँ रह रहे हो सुमन?
Canada, ma'am.
अच्छा कनाडा में. ओके ओके ओके. तो आप वही बोलोगे ना कनाडा का, तो फिर आप yes I plan to live here a long time. I'm working on my permanent residency. Okay.
Yes.
What's the difference between where you are living now and where you have lived in the past?
Well, there are lots of things which differentiate the living style of both countries, because as first before I have been living in India, and India have a different culture, but here I found
India is singular. Okay, ये सारे लोग अब सुनो, ये जो गलती है ना S वाली, singular subject, singular verb will have an S. Okay, has, is, okay.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
India has, not have. Okay.
India has different culture as well. There are various kinds of religion and people live there.
Religions, pronunciation, religions.
Religions.
Okay. Okay.
And here I find as well, but the slightly culture is different
slightly culture is different. गलत हो गया. Culture is slightly different.
Culture is slightly different.
Slightly नहीं है. बहुत different है.
Yeah.
Slightly
yeah.
different है.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can say there's a lot of difference. This is a developed country, that is a developing country. ऐसे बोल दो ना ये बातें.
Yes.
Job opportunities are more here.
मैम अगर हम बोले ऐसे बोले there are so many things which make difference आएगा, which makes difference आएगा.
There are so many things which are different.
Which are different.
Things which
Next
make a difference, which make a difference. तो वो things बोलोगे which make a difference. वो different हो जाएगा आंसर. There are so many things which are different. अब क्या बोलोगे? बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो डिफरेंस बनाती हैं, कि बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो डिफरेंट है. क्या बोलोगे हिंदी में?
बहुत सी चीजें डिफरेंट ही हो जाएगी.
हाँ, डिफरेंट है तो मेक से डिफरेंस क्यों आएगा?
सही है.
Okay, there are so
ठीक है.
बोल सकते हैं there is a diversity in the culture. Diversity.
you can say because it is a land of, because Canada is a country of immigrants. Okay, so there is a cosmopolitan culture in Canada. You can say that.
Yes.
Okay, cosmopolitan culture कौन सा होता है? जिसमें सारे cultures के लोग एक दूसरे के साथ हार्मनी में रहते हैं. All people, कोई है जो कहेगा हम कैनेडियन हैं by birth?
Yes, ma'am. That's
नहीं ना,
really.
सारे immigrants हैं. कोई चाइना से है, तो कोई इंडिया से है, तो कोई कोरिया से है, कोई जापान से है, कोई पाकिस्तान से है, कोई कहाँ से है, कोई कहाँ से है.
फिलिपाइंस से.
खुद भी नहीं कह सकते वो लोग हम कैनेडियन
है ही नहीं ना, वो कोई भी है ही नहीं. It's a country of immigrants, US and Canada.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is it. तो वहाँ पे तो cosmopolitan culture है, ठीक है, like that. Okay. Would you like to move to another place to live?
For now, I am not thinking to move any other country.
For the time being, ऐसे बोलो. For the time being, I'm not planning.
For the time being, I am not planning to move any other country because I am planning to set.
Place to live के में ना city भी हो सकता है. So you can say I'm planning to Vancouver अगर आप Toronto में हो तो, because the weather here is very harsh. ऐसा भी कुछ बोल सकते हो, जो भी है. अच्छा, ऐसा भी कुछ बोल सकते हो.
मैम for the time being का मतलब क्या निकलेगा यहाँ?
For the time being means अभी के लिए. For the time being. अभी साल, 2 साल, महीना, 2 महीना, कुछ भी मतलब हो सकता है उसका. For the time being, I'm here. I'm not planning. Okay?
ठीक है मैम.
Okay. Next, who is there?
Ma'am, I am
Kulraj.
Ma'am.
Kulraj.
मैम कुलराज के बाद मेरा होगा नक्शी.
हाँ, नक्शी ठीक है. कुलराज.
नक्शी के बाद मेरा कर दो प्लीज.
मेरा
कुलदीप.
ओके कुलदीप ठीक है. तो आप जो आंसर देते हो, why don't you come on the video? नहीं, आपके फेस एक्सप्रेशंस और वो सब भी जज हो जाएंगे. वीडियो से स्पीकिंग अच्छी हो जाती है. पर चलो अगली बार आप ऐसे करना, ठीक है? जिन्होंने बोलना है वो अपने वीडियो के लिए तैयार होके बैठेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
That is the thing which is stopping you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे भी खूब जाता है. मैं तैयार नहीं होती हूँ. तो मेरे को जिस दिन मैंने अभी मैंने मेरा वीडियो होता है, उस दिन मैं थोड़ा सा तैयार होती हूँ कि हाँ मैं ऐसे एक पेंटिंग लगाई हुई थी व्हाट्सएप पे किसी ने लिपस्टिक की. उस पेंटिंग को हाथ चढ़ाया हुआ था, बड़ी सी लिपस्टिक उस पर हाथ चढ़ाया हुआ. ये एक्सपायर हो गई है अब. तो मैंने कहा मैं एक्सपायर नहीं करती हूँ, बीच बीच में यूज कर लेती हूँ. जो हाथ में. Anyways, do you like your hometown, Kulraj?
Yes, I like my hometown. I have lived here since my birth. I enjoy living here.
I have been living since my birth.
I have been living here भी ठीक है, ठीक है. Would you say it's an interesting place?
Yes, it's an interesting place. My hometown is pollution free. There are a lot of trees here.
There are a lot of होता है या there are lots of होता है? अगर a लगाओगे तो lot of होता है, नहीं तो lots of होता है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
Yes, I dislike drainage system of my hometown. Whenever it rains, the roads get clogged due to rainwater, and I hate it.
You can say there is flooding on the roads.
Okay.
There is flooding on the roads. Whenever it rains a lot, there is flooding on the roads, and it can lead to many accidents also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Did your friends also grow up in the same place as you?
Yes, some of my friends grew up as the same as the same in the same place as mine.
As I.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay. Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes, I would definitely like to live here in the future, but right now I am planning to go abroad. Whenever I complete my studies, I would love to come back here and live here.
Okay. Where did you go for your last holiday?
I went to Maldives for my last holiday.
Okay. Would you say it was a memorable holiday?
Yes, it was one of the best experiences that I had. I loved it there. Maldives is a great country. I think everybody should visit there.
Visit that place, okay?
Okay.
Which public holiday do you like the best?
I like the Independence Day the best because it's my birthday on that day. I enjoy a lot. As my mother was
The whole nation enjoys a holiday on that day. Okay. Okay. What do you do on your holidays?
I usually get up late in my holidays. I like to eat some special kind of dishes in holidays, and I also like to take naps.
Okay.
In the holidays.
Next set, who is there? Nakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of flowers do you know of?
I know many types of flowers like sunflower, marigold, lotus, and jasmine, rose, and so on.
Okay, because there are questions of flowers. Okay, let me see the correct pronunciation of flowers. I hope you will be able to hear.
Flower. Flower.
Flowers. Okay.
Flower. Flower.
Okay. Okay. Flower.
Flower.
Are there any flowers that have special meaning in India?
Well, yes. Lotus is a special meaning.
Lotus
While
has a special meaning. Lotus
Lotus has special meaning because many Hindu gods and goddesses are depicted as sitting on the lotus flower.
See,
and
lotus has a special meaning because many Hindu gods and goddesses.
Okay.
Goddesses.
Yes.
And then you can also say that it is a national flower of India. It's a symbol of purity. It's considered auspicious. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's symbol of?
Symbol of purity.
Okay.
Okay? Symbol of purity. Okay. Or bhi bolo. What else?
मैम इसमें और क्या बोल सकते हैं? I mean, ये लोटस का है तो
I said,
ma'am,
can special meaning in India. You can say some other flowers which have special meaning. Which other flowers?
Red rose.
Red rose,
Symbol of
love. White is a symbol of friendship, like that you can say. Okay.
Jasmine flower.
White rose. Okay. And then jasmine is also considered sacred. It's a symbol of love, purity, hope, optimism. Jasmine garlands are used in wedding ceremonies, and many brides also wear it in their hair. ये आपकी book में थोड़ा लिखा हुआ है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you planted any flowers?
Yes, I planted rose in my.
What did I say? If a question has a have, the answer will have
Yes,
a have.
yes.
Okay.
I have planted. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. I have planted. I have planted a rose in my backyard. There is a beautiful kitchen garden in my backyard.
Very good. I have planted. The rose को backyard में क्यों लगाया है? आगे लगा लो ना.
Because there is a garage space in front of.
So you can say I have planted rose in pots in the front of, and put them in the front of my house. Okay, like that you can say. Or you can say
Yes.
backyard. We have open space in the backyard, so I planted roses over there. Okay. Okay. Next is, have you ever gifted flowers to anyone?
Yes, I have gifted a flower to one of my friends on her birthday.
Okay. Okay. And next set, who is there?
Kuldeep, ma'am.
Kuldeep. Okay, Kuldeep.
And can I?
Do Indian people like barbecue?
Yes, Indian people liked the food which to cook in barbecue. It is a tradition from the ancient times, but the form of the way to cook in the barbecue, that is different in these days.
Okay. So barbecue वैसे basically क्या होता है? What is it? What's a barbecue?
Clay pot.
Barbecue,
bada sa.
it is one type of oven, we can say, but the form of the oven in the ancient times, it was different than the present time.
So it's just like a tandoor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Grilled type.
Clay oven. Okay. It gives the food a smoky flavor. Okay. And okay, what kind of food do you like to eat for barbecue?
As I'm pure vegetarian, so I would like to cook the food, the especially paneer dishes in the barbecue.
Okay, I like to barbecue paneer dishes. Okay, paneer hi bol do bas. Okay, paneer word is there in the Oxford Dictionary, by the way. Because some children might be finding ki paneer bol diya. Paneer is not an English word. Paneer is there, paneer. But isko kaise bolna hai, sun lo.
Paneer.
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 चीज भी तो बोलते हैं ना पनीर को.
Paneer.
चीज तो बहुत तरह का होता है. पनीर is one type of cheese. Okay.
Paneer.
Okay.
Paneer.
Paneer.
Paneer. Paneer.
Paneer.
और ऐसे समोसा भी है. But you know, you don't say samosa. You say samosa.
मैं pronunciation बिगाड़ना पड़ेगा हिंदी का और क्या होगा.
They have taken these words. Actually, पता है क्या? The dishes they make. Cheese is something else. This is just one form of cheese. There are so many types of cheese. But
Yes.
Indian paneer is very difficult to get in Canada and US. मिल जाता होगा आप तो. But
Yes, ma'am. Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese.
but वो different है. It doesn't taste.
Mozzarella cheese.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Achha, somebody is asking me what to tell. Okay, okay. How the turn is coming. Okay, okay. Okay, next questions. Okay, did you have any barbecue when you were a child? Last question in the barbecue set. Did you have any barbecue when you were a child?
No, in my childhood, I was not aware about the barbecue.
You can say tandoor is very common. It was very common. My mother used to make chapatis in the tandoor. And that is the
Yes, yes.
tandoor is barbecue. Tandoori roti to bahut khai hogi.
Ji.
You can say that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check if tandoor word is there. Oh, yes. Tandoor word is there.
Tandoori. Tandoori.
Tandoori is a method of cooking meat in a long straight piece of metal called as in a clay oven called a tandoor, originally used in South Asia. Tandoori chicken, tandoori restaurant. Okay, Persian tandoori se bana ye word. And
Yes,
barbecue. Let me see if the barbecue. Barbecue is a metal frame for cooking food on over open fire. So open fire mein jo cook hota hai. Outdoor meal, when the food is cooked in this way, that is also called barbecue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Barbecue lunch, it was a barbecue dinner, you can say like that. Open fire mein kuch banta hai. Okay, next set. Who is speaking?
I would like to speak.
I'm Jaspreet. Ma'am Tanvi.
Okay, Anandita, Jaspreet pehle. ठीक है, Jaspreet, then Anandita, then the next person. Jaspreet, do you like to travel by car?
Yes, I love to travel by car as it provides me the convenience and I can stop by wherever I like. And
तो जसप्रीत इट के बाद हमेशा सारे बच्चे नोट कर लो, इट के बाद हमेशा एस वाला वर्ब आता है. इट प्रोवाइड मी, you are giving chance to the examiner to deduct your band score.
Provides me.
Yes.
Because it is a third form. Ma'am.
You are speaking so third person singular. He
Third
she,
person.
always
Yes.
S वाला verb. Okay, जसप्रीत बहुत अच्छे वैसे बोल रहे हो. ये इस point की वजह से ये इसको conquer कर लो. Okay, S's को. Okay. When do you travel by car?
I normally travel by car whenever I go to my office or for shopping as well. And also whenever I am going to my hometown to the neighboring city, Ludhiana, I travel by car.
What is the farthest place you have traveled by car?
I think Shimla is a city which is my neighboring city. So I went there with my husband and my husband drove the car over there. I think it is 100 kilometers from Chandigarh. So I think it is the farthest place I have traveled so far.
Okay. Do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by car?
I love to sit in the front. I can say on the left seat of my husband, as I enjoy the view by sitting in the front of the car, and I like the scenic beauty of the area, the neighboring area where I am traveling.
Okay, very good, Jaspreet. अगर आप सो S वाली बात नहीं करोगे ना तो intro sets आपके 8 पे हैं, 8 plus पे हैं. Okay?
Okay.
But S mistake should not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay, Anandita, what do you do to relax?
So for ma'am, in order to do relax, I usually watch movies whenever I get time.
Anandita, you said in order to do relax. That is wrong. In order to do relaxation would be correct, but in order to relax is also correct. What do you do to relax? In order to relax, now speak it again. What do you do to relax?
In order to do relaxation, I usually watch movies, listening songs, and read some novels.
Now this is the mistake of parallelism. You say I normally watch movies and then you say listening songs. If you start without the ing word, the whole sentence should go without the ing. I usually watch movies, listen song, listen music, like that you can say. Or I like watching movies, listening songs. If one is ing, all the sentence has ing forms, right? If the first word is watch, the second should also be listen, not listening. Okay?
Right, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Definitely, as I believe that many men, many minds. So if a person finds his relaxation by doing sports, definitely there might be some beneficial aspects and they might find relaxation over there as well.
Okay, then you know what you can say in this, because these things you can put in your essays also, that when young people do sports, they sweat out their stress and worries.
Right, ma'am.
Okay, so they feel relaxed after that. Okay,
okay ma'am.
Because
okay, ma'am.
It is physical exertion, but it gives mental relaxation.
Okay? Right, ma'am. Right.
Young people have a lot of energy, they just sweat it out. Okay, they just sweat it out when they do sports, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question: do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax?
Yes, I do. Because without vacation, we don't get enough time for ourselves. As we are nowadays, we are the days are becoming tougher, and we are getting connected with some work. So whenever vacations come, that time only we can find some spare times or find some time for us, quality time for us, by which we will be able to spend our vacations.
Okay. Do you think students need more relaxing time?
No, I don't think so. Because as a students, our only work is to do study and make our time properly, so that we will be able to work in a good way in future. So if we have been given more time for our vacations, we might not be able to achieve our goal. So that's the thing I do believe.
Okay, so Ananta, you are making minor mistakes, and that also because you are trying to just be very simple in your answers. You will not go wrong. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
If you will just don't have that on your mind that it is a formal interview, I have to speak something good like that, then you make mistakes. Then you tend to make mistakes. Okay. Just be
Okay, ma'am.
natural, your flow, what you will answer to any friend or anybody who asks you generally these questions. Okay. Then like that you must answer. Okay, next student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next.
Can I?
Dhwani.
Satvinder.
Dhwani and then Satvinder. Okay. Do you like to wear special costumes?
Yes, I like to wear special costumes on special occasions like marriages and some special functions that held in our house, like New Year party.
That are held. Okay.
Okay.
Did you try any special costumes when you were young?
Yes, when I was young, I used to have fancy dress in my school. Then I remember uh, my mother dressed me in the costume of fish, and my mother is so creative, and she made the costume so beautifully that I was looking nice, and I got second prize in that.
Okay. When was the last time you wore special costumes?
In December, our schoolmates throw a party in the remembering of the last time of our school, and there we wear a
in the remembering me to commemorate the last day or to celebrate the last day of our school. That will be better. Okay.
To celebrate the last day of our school, in which we dress in a costume, in beautiful costumes. The theme is 90s.
The theme was
dress in the 90s. Yes.
Okay. So next student.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Yeah, very good, Dhwani. बहुत अच्छा बोला. Satvinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you use a wallet?
Yes, I use wallet to keep my money in that, and also to keep my some documents in that. So I have a many wallets.
To wallet में documents तो नहीं ज़्यादा आ सकते. आपके credit card आ सकता है या कोई driving license आ सकता है.
मैम receipt किसी भी तरह की receipts.
हाँ. Okay. Have you ever lost a wallet?
Yes, I vividly remember that when I went to Chandigarh few months ago along with my friends, then I lost my favorite wallet, and it is in pink color, and I lost that.
In pink. अब तो was नहीं हो क्या? गुम गया ना? क्या मिल गया?
Yeah, it was in pink color, and I lost it in Rock Garden because there was a lot of rush in the entering of the Rock Garden.
At the entrance. Okay. At the entrance. Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
Yes, I have purchased one wallet for my brother, and I gifted this wallet to my brother on his 18th birthday, and he really liked this wallet.
Do most of your friends use a wallet?
I think everyone use wallet in their daily life whenever they go.
एक minute. Everyone use a wallet. Correct करो.
Everyone's over there.
Everyone uses a wallet.
Yeah.
Everyone uses. Everyone. One आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तो S वाला use नहीं आएगा. Uses a wallet आएगा. Okay. Do most of your friends use a wallet?
Yes, I think everyone uses wallet in their daily life, and whenever they go for shopping or to go outside to their home, definitely they use their wallet and to keep their money in that wallet.
Okay. Next student.
Jyoti, ma'am.
Tanvi. Jodhbir, then Tanvi. Okay.
Yes.
What did you like to do the most when you were in primary school?
When I was in my primary school, at that time, I love to spend most of time with my friends and even with my teacher, so that I can do studies and I can enjoy it with my friends also.
So that I could do study. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, when I was in school, at that time क्यों बोला आपने? दोबारा बोलो एक बार. What did you like to do the most when you were in primary school?
When I was in primary school,
I used to.
Okay.
So at that time क्यों बोला? This overwordiness is your problem, even in writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? मैं आपको बोलती हूँ ना आपका overwordiness है.
Yes, ma'am.
This is it. Unnecessary words, not adding to anything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
These spoil the beauty of the language.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
I will take care of this, ma'am.
Yes, you have to take care of this. Okay? Okay. How did you go to your primary school?
I used to go by school van, and
okay.
Ma'am, what else we can say?
You can say sometimes I used to walk. My primary school was very near my house, so I used to walk there. But
okay.
But फिर van नहीं बोलोगे, van बोलोगे तो फिर van बोलो. I used to go by school. मैंने यही बोल सकते हो. Our van was in yellow color. I used to enjoy sitting in the van. I used to take the front seat like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I used to go on foot भी हो सकता है ना?
I used to go on foot भी हो सकता है because my primary school was very close to my home. Like that, you can say. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Somebody came to a house and Naughty did not recognize because of the mask. That is why he was barking. He seldom barks, and today he was barking because the person had, complete mask. Only the eyes were visible. So he didn't recognize. Okay. Okay. So next question is, did you like your primary school?
Yes, I liked my primary school very much because in my primary school, primary school was the best school in my hometown, and the faculty members were too good at that time. They were very experienced.
Was too good. ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. Teachers were very good. या faculty was very good. Faculty members क्यों?
Faculty members, ma'am.
Faculty was very good.
Faculty.
Teachers were very good. I would say teachers. The teachers were very good. The students were very nice. The teachers were very friendly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी.
I think faculty की pronunciation maybe something is wrong.
Faculty बोल रही है ना, वो गलत है.
Yes.
मैं word ही change करा रही हूँ. Simple words बोलना better होता है.
Teachers.
हाँ, teachers are very good. Okay. और फिर faculty नहीं होता, faculty है वैसे तो, but teachers is a better word. Routine speaking में आप teachers ही बोलोगे ना?
Okay, ma'am.
तो आप routine में word बोलोगे ना, उसी को बोलना speaking में. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That will even fetch you 8.5 band. जितने स्टूडेंट्स ने 8+ बैंड लाए उन सबका आके यही था कि मैम कुछ नहीं स्पेशल बोला, मुझे लग रहे थे हम कुछ नहीं सिंपल बोल रहे हैं. फ्लुएंसी पे ध्यान.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak simple. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do in your leisure time in primary school?
During my leisure time, I love to play with my friends, and even sometime I used to attend art classes.
You can say sometimes. And play करते हो तो फिर कौन सी games खेलते थे वो बोल दो. क्या खेलते थे बचपन में? मैं तो स्टापू बहुत खेलती थी. स्टापू पे छोटे होते. स्टापू की इंग्लिश पता है?
No, ma'am.
Hopscotch. Hopscotch was the most, I used to love hopscotch. खेली आपने कि नहीं खेली बचपन में?
बहुत मैम।
हाँ तो फिर बोल भी सकते हो ना, तो छोटे बच्चे ही खेलते हैं ये ज्यादा, प्राइमरी छोटे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
ओके, नेक्स्ट कौन है?
मैम तन्वी।
तन्वी, ओके. Would you like to work in a company related to environmental protection?
Yes, I would love to work in a company with environmental protection because I think that nowadays environment is the most concerning area, and I would love to work there because I also want to contribute in saving the environment.
Very good. How can we protect the environment?
We can do a lot of things to save our environment. First of all, I think the first thing which everyone can do is to work on their own level. Like we should start from at home. We can by not using plastics and by doing afforestation, we can do a lot to save the environment.
Okay, you can just say by saying not using plastics, by planting trees, by accepting recycled material, by switching off all the things in the house which are not in use, like switching off unwanted tube lights and bulbs and fans in the house, and walking for short distances, or using the bicycle instead of the car or two-wheeler, okay, or car or the scooter, like that you can say, by conserving water, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Do you think that you have done enough to protect the environment?
Could you please repeat?
Pardon?
Yes, ma'am. Pardon.
Do you think you have done enough to protect the environment?
Yes, as the environment, as there is a lot of problems and environmental pollution is increasing day by day. So I think if we have done a single thing, like if I have planted a lot of trees around my home, but I think this is not enough. I can do
yes से शुरू करा ना, आंसर आपने yes से शुरू करा ना, आंसर no से शुरू करो. Okay, अब बोलो no.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't think I've done enough. I think whatever I have done, whatever anybody can do is never enough, can never be enough. Okay, because environment is something which we have to do a lot. Okay, and once we start thinking we have done enough, we'll stop doing, and then it will be very bad. Okay, so you can say I don't think I've done enough. I think I have to keep doing things for the environment my whole life. Like that you can say. Whatever is done for the environment can never be called enough. Okay, ऐसे बोल. Is there education about environmental protection at school?
Yes, there nowadays all the schools, all the recognized schools are providing education related to environmental protection, because at present the environment is becoming a major concern for everybody, and children should be encouraged to save the environment. And I think schools are the best way to teach the students about protecting the environment.
Very good. Tanvi, you are speaking very well. Okay. जो आप informations देते हो ना, जो yes and oh, those are very good. Okay.
डर जाती हूँ, अभी भी मेरी heartbeat बहुत तेज है.
But you are speaking very well. Okay. Just keep practicing the way you are doing. You are doing very well. Okay. Next, who is it?
I'm Santosh.
Santosh.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम मैं एग्जाम में कितने बैंड ले सकूंगी?
अभी मैं दोबारा एक सेट पूछ के फिर बताती हूँ, मेरे को भूल जाता है, बीच में 2 स्टूडेंट और आ गए. ठीक है
मैम, मेरा बता दो.
एक्चुअली आप पूछ रहे हो ना, आप तो देखो आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो, एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी वंस स्कोर्ड अ 7. ओके, अब आपको स्ट्रेस इस बात की लेनी है कि 7 से कम ना होए और ऊपर ही जाए, समझ गए? तो
यस
वो भी तब आएंगे अगर आप ऊपर 7 से 8 की कोशिश नहीं करोगे. ओके, just speak naturally and your natural speech will take you 7+, right? But
Yes,
when you try to do something extra, then there are chances of making mistakes.
Ma'am, mine, ma'am.
Okay.
सारे जिन्होंने अब तक बोला सबने बहुत अच्छा बोला, ओके, सबने बहुत अच्छा बोला है. और मेरे को ना एक बीच में और स्टूडेंट आ जाए उसके बाद आप बोलो पूछोगे ना तो मेरा तो गड़बड़ है. ओके, देखो बाल सारे सफेद है.
Ma'am, that is natural. If somebody asks me after 1 second, I think.
Ma'am, still you look very young.
क्या वापस काले हो रहे हैं? बहुत ज्यादा
Still,
सफेद थे.
no, ma'am, still you have lot of brain, sir.
अभी है बीच में काले काले भी थोड़े थोड़े है ना. चलो नेक्स्ट.
I'm Santosh.
Santosh, how do you celebrate New Year?
I celebrate New Year with my friends and family. When I most of us spend New Year with my family by making new snacks at home.
Most of क्या बोला आपने? I spend New Year with my friends and family. वो तो आपका मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. उसके बाद most of what? Most क्या बोला?
बोला ही नहीं बोलनी थी. वो वैसे ही आगे भी.
गलत बोला ना. So you can say I spend my New Year with my family. ऐसे बोलो. ठीक है. अगर फ्रेंड्स बोलना है तो फिर फ्रेंड्स बोलना है तो फिर उसका आंसर आगे डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. अगर फैमिली बोलना है तो आगे डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So you can say I spend my New Year with my friends. We all go out and we dance and have dinner outside and we really enjoy and have fun. Young people ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. Or you can say I spend New Year with my family. We stay at home. We cook a lot of dishes. We enjoy time with each other. We watch television. Special shows are there for the New Year Eve. Like that you can say. Okay. And then we wish each other a happy New Year when the clock strikes 12, and then we all feel very happy. Sometimes we play music and we all dance together. Like that you can say.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
भी ऐसे बोल सकते हो. फ्रेंड्स के साथ थोड़ा आगे का आंसर डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. अगर आप फ्रेंड्स के बोलोगे तो आगे वाला आंसर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrate? अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चंस अरबीना को आए अभी. Okay, Arvina was asked. So these are also, these can be asked. Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? उसको भी ये question पूछा था अभी.
Okay.
So do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated?
Yes, I vividly remember New Year which I celebrate. I celebrated with my family by making new dishes and by watching the special program on the TV.
तो उसमें क्या क्या स्पेशल था बाकी जो आपने पहले बोला है कि मैं न्यू ईयर पे करती हूँ? What was so special that you still remember that New Year?
On this New Year, I prepare game with my family.
I prepared a game. I played a game with my family which I had prepared. Okay, I cannot forget that New Year. यहाँ पता है आप क्या करो, इसमें कोई ऐसी कहानी डाल दो. I can't forget that New Year when my aunt and uncle had come from Canada. So we were all so happy on that day. We enjoyed with them. So that was a New Year worth remembering. We all danced and sang and prepared many dishes and enjoyed together. Like that you can say.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country?
No, in my country there is no any ceremony to celebrate the New Year.
Santosh, now listen. And all the students, no any is wrong English. Never speak no any together. It is wrong English. Never write it, never speak it. बहुत बच्चे बोलते हैं, I have no any. No. Okay, this is wrong. Do you have any ceremonies? We do not have any ceremonies.
Okay.
If we have no ceremonies, special ceremonies, no any ceremonies is wrong English. Okay?
Okay.
No any ना बोलना है ना लिखना है. ठीक है? So, as such, we don't have any ceremony to celebrate New Year. People just spend the New Year in their own way. Some like to go out, some stay at home. Okay? Just to make that day special. People are with each other. That is it. Okay?
Okay.
Why do people think New Year is a new beginning?
I think people think on New Year, they think new for their future, and they think on New Year they can bring, they can enhance their future by and
Enhance
by
their
thinking
future का क्या
about the
मतलब है? Enhance their future का क्या मतलब है?
मैम अपने फ्यूचर ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਕਰਕੇ
Enhance a word only.
No.
Why do you want to put the word enhance?
Improve.
They make resolutions. They want to shed off some wrong habits. They want to add some new habits. So people make some resolutions. बनाते ना New Year की resolution.
Yes, ma'am.
That ये नहीं करेंगे. तो कुछ दिन तो चली जाती हैं.
2-3 दिन के लिए होता है वो.
Every year
yes, we make resolutions. ठीक है? तो फिर every year बन जाती है ना, फिर दोबारा वही
मैम जैसे हर रोज सोचते हैं सुबह का 5 मिनट उठ के पढ़ना है, 2 दिन उठते हैं, तीसरे दिन फिर 6 बज जाते हैं.
Okay. So on the whole, Santosh, you have a lot to work upon in your speaking. If
Okay, ma'am.
you will not try to think of words to put in your speaking, I think आपकी speaking वैसे ही एक बैंड बढ़ जानी.
Okay.
अगर आप बिल्कुल सिंपल सोचोगे ना कि इसका सिंपल से सिंपल मैं क्या आंसर बोल सकती हूँ, तो आपकी speaking वैसे ही एक बैंड बढ़ जाती है. In no time.
Okay.
Okay. Just because
Okay,
you think of words to put in your speaking becomes a bit, you fumble at times. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Simple. मैं सबको ये बोलूंगी, बिल्कुल simple बोलो. Simple. Simplicity में अच्छा बोलोगे. ठीक है? Who is the next student?
Shall I?
Sandeep. Okay. Is there anything that makes you feel happy lately? Was there anything that made you feel happy lately? ये question गलत है.
Yes, definitely.
ये made you feel happy lately है ना? So was there anything that made you feel happy lately? Yes, बोलो अब.
Yes, definitely. There are different type of things which made me happy. Before 2 months ago, my parents celebrated my birthday, so that I think that thing made me happy.
Okay. So was there anything that made you feel happy lately? Yes, it was my birthday 2 months ago, and my parents gave me a surprise party. That made me really happy. Okay. What do you do to stay happy?
The type of activities I do which made me happy, as I wake up early in the morning.
Present tense question. The present tense question. Okay, made nahi aayega. Para, what do you do to stay happy?
Different type of activities I do which make me happy. For example, in the morning time, I usually do meditation, which gives me relaxation and peace of mind.
Okay. So, अगर simple बोलो ना, I do what do you do to stay happy? Different type of thing I do to stay happy. I do different things to stay happy. I pursue my hobbies. When I pursue my hobbies, I feel very happy. When I play with my pets, I feel very happy. When I see a smile on my parents' face, I feel very happy. I don't have to do anything. I just do little things and that makes me happy. Okay? So कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो, कुछ special नहीं बोलने की जरूरत. I do a lot of things that make me happy.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, ये which के साथ makes आएगा ना? Which makes me happy, make me happy, क्या makes me happy?
Which की बात नहीं है इसमें. There are different things which make me happy. Okay, plural पहले आ गया ना, things तो make आएगा. Which की बात.
Okay.
Okay. So one thing which makes me happy is something else. ऐसे बोल सकते हो. Can you stay happy all the time? Sandeep, can you stay happy all the time?
To be very honest, I do not think I stay all time happy, because
It's not a
there are
question
many.
of do you stay happy. Look at my question. Can you stay happy all the time? It's a general question. अच्छा, मैं एक और बात आपको बताऊं. आपने modal verbs सुने? Modal verbs.
Yes, ma'am.
There are 8 modal.
Yes,
verbs. 8 है. Can, could, will, would, may, might, shall, should. बोलो. Can
Can,
good, will
may,
good,
might.
may might, shall. ओके जब क्वेश्चन में मॉडल वर्ब आए, जो भी मॉडल वर्ब आए उसको आंसर में डाल दो, आपका आंसर ज्यादा चांसेस होंगे करेक्ट जाएगा. ओके अब सुनो मेरा क्वेश्चन. कैन यू स्टे हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम?
No, I can't stay happy all the time because
I cannot stay happy all the time. Yeah, yes, I can stay happy all the time because I feel that because little things make me happy and little things are happening with me all the time. So I can stay happy all the time. You can say, or you can say, no, I don't think it's possible to stay happy all
Ma'am,
the time.
there are up and down in the life. Like ये भी add कर सकते हैं, I think.
There are up and down, गलत हो जाएगा ना, ups and downs.
Yes, yes.
Yes नहीं लगाओगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? There
Yes,
are ups
ma'am.
and downs in everyone's life. So I don't think it is possible for anyone to be happy all the time. Okay? देखो happiness आपको कैसे कैसे पता चलता है कि you are happy because you have felt the sad moments also. Okay? Until and unless there are sad moments in life, how can you judge what is happiness? How can you know the importance of day if you don't know about the night? Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It is not possible for anyone to stay happy all the time, but yes, people can make it a habit to find happiness in small things. That way they'll be happy most of the time. Okay? That is it. That you can answer. Is it important to be happy? Is it important to be happy, Baljit? Sandeep, कौन आंसर दे रहा था? Sandeep.
Yes.
Pardon, please.
I think
संदीप आंसर दे रहे थे ना अभी ये क्वेश्चंस के. Who was answering?
मैम संदीप मैम आन.
हाँ बोलो बेटे. Is it important to be happy? Is it important to be happy?
yes, definitely, because happiness is a positive feeling that help us to mentally healthy.
Very good. Yes, happiness is a positive feeling that helps us, not help us. Okay, feeling singular helps us. Uncountable, na happiness you can't count, so helps us. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next set, Miguel, you'll answer. You've answered earlier.
No. No.
Okay. So you're set. What kind of trees do people usually plant in your country?
Actually, in India, we can generally see plants like neem plant, then coconut trees, plantain tree, and I think a wide variety of trees can see in India.
So you can say that India is a tropical country. All sorts of trees can grow here nicely. Okay.
Tropical country, ma'am. Tropical country.
Tropical है ना हमारा tropical.
Yes, yes.
Tropical country है and tropical country में all types of trees grow करते हैं. You can say, you know, we have all sorts of climates and all sorts of trees can grow. Mango tree, guava tree, fruit trees भी हैं. उसके अलावा you can have those teak wood, teak tree, and you know all these pine and all these trees. You can have also.
And can we say cash crop trees, coconut?
Yes, you can say that. Cash crop trees also they are there, from which give people a source of livelihood. Okay, livelihood.
मैम इसमें हम इंडिया के बारे में बोल सकते हैं लाइक अगर मुझे यहाँ पर अगर ये क्वेश्चन या फिर इसी इधर के बारे में बोलना.
You have the citizenship of UK now. Are you a citizen? क्या अभी इंडियन पासपोर्ट है?
मैम पासपोर्ट इंडियन पासपोर्ट.
का पासपोर्ट है ना उसके हाथ में एग्जामिनर के.
यस मैम.
हाँ तो उसको आप इंडिया के बारे में बोलो आंसर.
ओके वेल बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया से स्टार्ट करके.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वेरी गुड ठीक है वेरी गुड ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट इज have you ever planted trees?
Yes, actually farming is my passion, and I have planted drumstick trees and curry leaves which I can use in my kitchen, and I feel really happy for that.
Even I have planted a drumstick and a curry leaf. That is curry patta only, na? Which you are,
Curry patta.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, I have also planted these two. But I don't have any open space, so they are in big pots. There will be small trees, dwarf trees in those pots. Okay, but they have grown. I've just recently planted them, both of them, because I use curry patta when I make sambar and things like that. Okay. What kind of trees do you plant? Or you have already answered that. Do you like planting trees and why?
Yes, of course. I really like planting trees because I get more happiness when I spend time in my kitchen garden, and it's really helpful to the nature also. Being a nature level, I think it's important to plant the saplings, and when they grow up and when they bear fruits or see its fruits, we feel really happy and positive.
See here, na, plural of fruit should be fruit only when they bear fruit, not fruits. Okay, fruits, we use fruits word when there are a variety of fruits. Guava, mango, and when they bear fruit, when the trees bear fruit, then here fruit is both used as singular and plural both. Okay. Okay. Who is next?
From Dipali.
Dipali. What is the decoration like in your home?
Well, I have a very beautiful decoration at my home. I have some artifacts and a few pictures which are placed on my wall. And it is a very historical. It is since ancient time, since the time my great grandfather was there. Since that time, I'm having the same painting with which is beautifully crafted.
Painting is beautifully crafted. What do you mean by that?
मतलब wrong है. शायद से wrong है.
पता है क्या, अगर तो आप इसको expand कर दो, you know, painting
मैंने
can be
paint
crafted.
किया था उस
You
time.
can say,
Still it is
yes, you can say there's one section of that painting has some knife painting, one section of that painting has some actual sandalwood. उसमें crafting वाली paint wall hangings भी मैंने देखी हुई है paintings South में. When I went to Mysore, वो 4 लाख 5 लाख की एक थी वॉल पे लगने वाली, थोड़ी आगे को आई हुई, बीच में वुड था, एक्चुअल वन ऑफ ए टाइप ही बनती है वो, डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ दैट वुड दे यूज, सैंडलवुड. एंड आई डोंट नो, मतलब आप अगर ऐसे बोलो सिंस माय ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स टाइम दैट पेंटिंग इज देयर, यू कैन से माय ग्रैंडमदर वाज अ वंडरफुल आर्टिस्ट एंड शी पेंटेड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव इट एज अ हेरिटेज पेंटिंग इन आवर होम, so that everybody, even now, if anybody comes to our house, he appreciates that painting. Okay, it's really beautiful, like that you can say. Okay, what kind of decoration do you prefer?
I usually prefer a simple but beautiful decoration. Like it should go environmentally with the colors, and like a lot of planting at home, inside the house as well as outside the house. Especially in my garden, I have a lot of plants. Also in my interior, I have a beautiful colors combination, and a lot of paintings and lot of plantation as well has been.
Would anybody else try this question in a more simple way? How can you answer? What kind of decoration do you prefer?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, try, Anvita.
I have a beautiful interior of my house. I have decorated it with the glasses and vases, and I also have flowers that attract my mother and my grandparents because they are old, so they want more of the oxygen, natural flowers. So they have all the natural flowers and the beautifully colors with the focus of the and in the focus of there is one focus on the wall where we kept all the pictures.
Okay. Anybody else? मुझे लग रहा है कुछ ओवरडू कर रहे हो आप, कुछ सिंपल बोल रहे, कोई एनीबॉडी एल्स वुड ट्राई?
हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं लाइक आई स्टे इन डुप्लेक्स या फिर
I would rather prefer minimalistic decoration in my home. Yes. I would rather prefer minimalistic designs in my home because it's beautiful for it.
So you can say, I like to decorate my home with simple things and I don't like too much clutter. So I like the minimalistic approach to decorating the home, so that
And
there's a lot of
it's
open space. I like to have
budget.
indoor plants, which
I don't
are
like
also-
overcrowded with
Yes,
furniture.
I don't like overcrowding the house with too much furniture and things like that, you can say. Okay. Too many things sometimes lead to clutter. Okay. Like that.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can say. Okay. Do Indian people like decorating their home?
Yes, most of the Indian people believe in decorating their home, especially in festival season like in Diwali. They usually decorate their house with the uh, lightings, and they lightings, and they simply decorate the house with the colors and with a lot of plantation, and also artistically it. Sorry, ma'am.
What's your favorite color when decorating your home?
My when I decorate my home, I usually prefer uh, light color, so that my house will look big, and it give me more space, and also
it gives
it gives well, my favorite color is cream color, and I personally decorated my house with the cream color, with one wall which is painted in a dark color, and it looks very spacious and very natural.
Okay. ये जो है ना डेकोरेशन वाला, इसमें कुछ सिंपल बोल लो जिसमें आपकी गलतियां कम आए. जो ज्यादा डाल रहे थे ना चीजें, उसमें थोड़ी ग्रामेटिकली सेंटेंसेस कॉम्पेंसेट हो रहे थे. So you can say, I like to decorate my home with the things which I've made myself. ऐसे बोल दो. Okay. I like to make things. I like to do painting
out of waste.
Yeah, so I like to. I've made some pots and decorated them. So I've placed them in my house, and I also like to have indoor plants.
Okay. Also, I have painted some curtains.
Curtains also. You can say. I have curtains also which I've painted myself. So that will be good. Okay.
Okay.
So otherwise, I like the minimalistic approach. Make small sentences in this answer. जो भी आप लंबे बना रहे थे ना दीपाली and वो आपके अन्विता आपका भी लंबे sentence गड़बड़ हो रहे थे.
Okay.
Okay. Small sentences. Small sentences. They'll be better. Okay. Okay. Who is next?
I'm Pooja.
Pooja. Have you ever visited a farm?
Yes, I have visited a couple of farms, as my maternal grandfather and my paternal grandfather both were farmers, and I used to visit their farms and usually like to help them.
And usually liked to help them.
Liked to help them.
What kind of farms do you like?
Well, in my perception, I like the farms which use less pesticides and non-GMO crops, and those type of farms I like the best, because they are not harmful for the public or the people of the country.
Okay. अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे तो मैं बोलूंगी I like to visit fruit farms, because while visiting those farms you can have a taste of some fruit. Okay, you can pluck some fruits and eat them at the same time. Just on a lighter note, आपका आंसर ठीक था. Okay, that's good.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you think farming is important?
Yes, in my opinion, farming is very important because it's the backbone of the economy of any country, and the farms should be farms should be taken care well, because they are the food factory of the people.
Very good. Did you do farm work when you were young? Did you do
Yes.
farm work?
Yes, certainly. I used to do the farm work with my maternal grandfather, because in the summer vacation, my mother usually took us to his home, and we usually spend the whole day in the farms, and I usually used to help my maternal grandfather in his farm works, and usually take care of his pets.
Usually took care of his pets.
Took care of his pets.
Okay, next set. Who is it?
Ma'am, may I?
मैम
Anvita?
ये फार्मर ये फार्मिंग वाला
Yes, ma'am.
अनिता, उसके बाद देवांगिनी. ओके
मैम
मैम,
ये जो फार्मिंग वाला था ना,
हाँ.
इसमें डू यू थिंक फार्मिंग इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट? तो इसमें ऐसे बोल सकते हैं इंडिया इज एन एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री एंड 61% ऑफ आवर जीडीपी कम्स फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर.
आप जैसे बोल रहे हो ना, अच्छा लग रहा है आपके मुंह से, पर मैं औरों को बोलूंगी ऐसा आंसर रट्टा मारने वाले. जो उन्होंने बोला है वो अपनी जगह ठीक है. यू नो, इन इंट्रो सेट्स आप कैसे भी आंसर दे सकते हो देवांगनी, जो आपको पता है. अगर आपको कुछ पता है, जैसे आपको पता है कि इतने जीडीपी से आती है, तो बोलो जी. दैट्स इट. ओके ओके मैम. ओके, कुछ सोच के ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. अगर आपको कुछ पता है, आपको यू नो विद ऑथेंटिसिटी that what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
is correct, just speak it because it will come out naturally from you.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
वैसे कुछ सोचना नहीं है इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए. जो आपको जितना पता है आप बोल सकते हो.
Okay,
that is it.
मैम मेरा ठीक था.
हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
नेक्स्ट सेट
मैम.
नेक्स्ट सेट अनविता. हाँ बोलो.
यस मैम.
मैम एग्जाम हो रहे हैं अभी.
हाँ शुरू हो गए एग्जाम्स. डेट्स
मैम दोनों ऑनलाइन.
हाँ मैंने शेयर करा हुआ नंबर, आप उनसे बोल सकते हो भरने के लिए. अच्छा
मैम ऑफलाइन भी?
ऑफलाइन ही तो हुए हैं एग्जाम्स.
नहीं, मुझे पहले था ना ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं कंप्यूटर पर.
ऑनलाइन तो कभी भी नहीं है. पेन एंड पेपर है, कंप्यूटर बेस्ड है. ऑफलाइन तो ऑफलाइन ही है दोनों. कंप्यूटर बेस्ड के लिए भी आपको जाना पड़ता है ना, ऑनलाइन नहीं है.
ओके
ओके
मैम.
ठीक है.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट अनविता. डू यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फर्नीचर इन योर होम?
No, I don't have a lot of furniture in my home as my parents do not like overcrowded place, so we do not have a lot of furniture.
Okay, is there anyone who bought furniture for you?
Yes, my parents bought furniture when we built this house, so they only got the furniture and we fix it in a home.
Okay, what kind of furniture would you like to buy?
Nowadays, if I have to buy, I will go for the modern and new type of furniture with a very with less design, so that while cleaning, I don't have to take.
बीच में ना आपकी आवाज बंद हो जाती है बिल्कुल. Which furniture do you like best in your home?
I like my study table. I like my study table a lot because when I am free, I can sit on my chair and with my study table, and I can study over there and write my stories, which I feel to like write.
Okay, do you write stories, Anvita? Really?
Yes, ma'am.
On your own, right?
Yes, ma'am. On my own.
How many stories have you written so far?
I don't actually write long stories. I prefer writing poems.
Oh, okay. So you are a poet.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Next set, who's there?
Ma'am, how was my intro set?
Very good. Okay. You spoke very well. और अनविता, जितना सिंपल बोलोगे ना, जितना आप वर्ड्स को सोचने में, वोकैबुलरी को सोचने में या कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस सोचने में करोगे, उसमें गड़बड़ होगी. जितना आप सिंपल बोलोगे फ्लो के साथ, उसको आप इम्प्रूव भी कर लोगे, उसमें आपके अच्छे बैंड आएंगे. ठीक है?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also want to give answers.
हाँ जी यशप्रीत, आपको भी. आपने पहले दिए नहीं आंसर्स?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा, अभी पहले कौन स्टूडेंट था मेरा? पहले किसने, कोई लाइन में लगा हुआ है पहले? कौन था? After Anvita, nobody. Then Ashpreet, you are answering. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, I really like my current stage of life because at that time I am experience a lot of things in my life. Like
at that time, क्या current stage है? Because now बोलो ना.
Okay.
Current stage है तो current past थोड़ी हो गई है जो that time बोल रहे थे.
Okay.
Okay, this time है ना अभी.
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay. In what stage of life were you the happiest?
Well, honestly, childhood stage of my life is the best stage of my life.
Is आएगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Was आएगा कि is आएगा?
Was.
आपने is बोला है?
Sorry, ma'am.
So childhood was the happiest stage. आगे बोलो.
Happiest stage of my life because I enjoy the company of my parents. At that time, they cares about me very much.
Enjoy the company, गलत. Enjoyed आएगा. They cares नहीं, they cared आएगा. आप सारी गलत 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 एक एक गलती कर रहे हो अपने हर सेंटेंस में. ओके, तेजी में आपको रश पड़ा हुआ है, आंसर दे दो फटाफट, और ये सोच ही नहीं रहे हो कि 1 सेकंड सोच लूंगी तो शायद ग्रामर सही बोल जाऊं. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
हाँ, आप टेंस की भी गलती कर रहे हो ना. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
Well, teenager stage of our life is the most.
Teenager stage होती है कि teenage होती है?
Teenage stage of life is the
Teenage के
most.
साथ change लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Teenage is the best stage of life.
Okay.
Okay? I think teenage. हाँ. Okay.
Teenage is the best stage of life.
Why?
Because at that stage we decided for our future that what subjects we are going to study, and we set goals for ourselves in our for our future.
Okay, so teenage is the most important stage of our life, because then we grow into adults and we step into adulthood in our teenage, क्योंकि 18 भी teenage में ही आ जाता है, and
Yes.
We come to realize our responsibilities, and we also choose our subjects for our future career. ये आप सब बोल सकते हो, and we also set goals for ourselves for our whole life.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your plan for your next stage of life?
Well, next plans.
What's your plan for your next stage of life? So आपकी क्या
I
age
have
है?
not planned.
आपकी क्या एज है? अशप्रीत?
Ma'am, now I'm 19.
19 है ना? तो आपने अभी बोला कि इसमें हम अपने गोल सेट करते हैं, तो आपने क्या गोल सेट करा अपनी लाइफ का?
Well, now I'm planning to go abroad for my further studies, and after that I'm planning to do a job in a reputed hospital.
Reputed word नहीं होता, बड़े बच्चे यूज करते हैं. Reputed होता है.
Reputed.
हाँ, reputed बड़े बच्चे यूज करते हैं. अभी मैंने कल परसों किसी और का चेक करा. Reputed होता है. Okay. So what's your plan for your next stage of life? My next stage of life, my plan for my next stage of life is to graduate and become, क्या बनना चाहते हो?
And become a nurse.
So I want to graduate and do my nursing, and then I want to work as a nurse in a well-reputed hospital. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, who is next?
Ma'am, Devangi.
Rani. How often do you take rest?
I like to take rest every 4 or 5 hours. I have lots of household work at my place, so when I feel I'm tired, I take a nap, and
What do
which
you do
gives
when
me.
you are resting? What do you do when you are resting?
I do many things when I'm resting. Like I like to see movies, and I enjoy good music when I'm resting.
Do you take a nap when you are resting?
Yes, I really like to take a nap in afternoon after 3 or 4 hours work. I take a small nap, which helps me to energize myself.
Small afternoon nap को कुछ कहते हैं, को पता है? छोटी सी जो afternoon nap होती है 15-20 मिनट.
Power nap.
उसको
Power nap.
Siesta.
What ma'am?
Siesta.
Siesta.
एक मिनट आपको दिखा.
Okay. मैं तो रोज सो जाती हूँ मैम आधा घंटा.
Can you see this dictionary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siesta.
Siesta. Siesta.
A rest or sleep taken in the early afternoon, especially in hot countries. I went upstairs for my afternoon siesta. आप बोल सकते हो I love my afternoon siesta.
Okay, ma'am.
Nap का
Yeah.
ठीक है. A lot of people were taking a short siesta in the shade. Nap. ठीक है.
Ma'am, like he said, I like to have small nap. I think nap is already small, so do we need to say small nap?
हाँ, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना short sleep. वो तो short sleep ही nap होती है ना. I love to nap. Okay. Time.
Ma'am.
So, okay. I love to take it. I had. हाँ. ये लिखा हुआ है short nap. I had a short nap after lunch. Okay. So you can say.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो।
मैम ये धोती को क्या कहते हैं?
धोती, धोती कहते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, इंग्लिश में।
इंग्लिश में धोती कहते हैं, ये देखो।
डोरी।
इसको कहते हैं डोटी। धोती वर्ड इंग्लिश में भी है। ओके
मैम तो एक बार ना आपने कुछ अलग ही वर्ड बोला।
लायन क्लॉथ कहते हैं। A long piece
क्या
of
कहते हैं?
cloth। ये देखो इसको क्या कहते हैं, वर्ड ओरिजिन। धोती फ्रॉम हिंदी से लिया इन्होंने वर्ड। A long piece of cloth।
आपने अभी क्या बोला? वो क्लॉथ
बोलते हैं ना, लायन क्लॉथ, लॉयन क्लॉथ।
लॉयन क्लॉथ। ओके
ये लॉयन क्लॉथ।
मैम स्पीकिंग यू नहीं यूज करते हैं ना? यू एंड वी वर्ड।
Only piece of cloth on the body. Okay. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the अच्छा, who is speaking? किसकी turn?
Devangini ma'am.
Okay. How do you
Yes, ma'am.
how do you feel after taking a nap?
I feel refreshed and energized. I have noticed that if I take a small nap in between my work, I can concentrate better and it feels me less frustrated after less frustration.
It feels me less frustrated. गलत हो गई English.
Yes, ma'am.
Makes me feel less frustrated.
Yes, ma'am.
It makes me energized. I get back to work with added zeal, added enthusiasm, added energy.
And I
feel rejuvenated.
I can deliver.
देखो, I feel rejuvenated. I feel happy. I feel, I feel a new person after nap. सबसे easy बोलने का तरीका.
Okay, ma'am.
I feel light.
I feel a new person. I feel light.
I feel contented.
I feel contented. Okay. I feel
okay.
I feel happy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I feel active. I feel refreshed. I feel jubilant. I feel, I feel
zealous.
I feel a new person. I feel okay. I feel a new life in me after taking a nap.
And can do the rest of the work with more energy.
On more energy. That is it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ये सही रहता है कि after taking a nap, I can deliver my work with within time with quality. ऐसा सही रहता है?
Deliver my work. I can do my work. I can do my work with more zeal, more enthusiasm. I can do it
more concentration.
I can do it with more concentration. I can finish the work in time. Okay. Speed.
Okay, ma'am.
Speed increases. Okay, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम स्पीकिंग में यू वर्ड नहीं यूज करते ना एग्जामिनर के सामने.
क्यों करो, पर अगर वो आपके लिए न्यू नहीं होना चाहिए ना. अगर आपके लिए रूटीन वर्ड है वो आप करो यूज. मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि वहां वर्ड डालने के लिए मत बोलो वर्ड. If you are using certain word in your day-to-day language, why don't you use it there? You can use it there because it will flow out of your mouth like जैसे मेरे जब मैं मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस करती थी ना, तो मुझे कहते थे मैम डिलीवरी ऐसी करना जैसे मक्खन में से बाल निकल आए. वर्ड ऐसे बोलना जैसे मक्खन में से बाल निकले. ओके, कहीं अटके मत. अटकना नहीं चाहिए आपको. जो आपका अपना वर्ड है वो आपको कभी अटकाएगा नहीं. जो आप वर्ड डालने के लिए डालोगे तो आप बीच में कहीं ना कहीं आपकी फ्लुएंसी
मैम मोर कंफ्यूज करता है.
यस, कहीं ना कहीं आपकी फ्लुएंसी खत्म हो जाएगी.
Ma'am, see a movie or watch movie.
Watch.
Because she said it's a see movie.
Watch, ma'am, watch. मैम मेरा नेचुरल लग रहा था कि थोड़ा अभी भी स्पीड.
बिल्कुल नेचुरल लग रहा था.
ओके मैम.
पर आप बीच में कभी जो वर्ड्स लाते हो ना, वहां पे थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ होती है. वर्ड्स का सोचो ही मत. ऐसे बोलो जैसे आप जैसे आप अपने किसी फ्रेंड के साथ तैयारी कर रहे हो और वो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है, आप उसको जवाब दे रहे हो बिना स्ट्रेस के. वैसे
जैसे अभी हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल. मेरे से स्ट्रेस नहीं ना होता आपका बोलने के टाइम.
नो मैम, नो.
नहीं मैम.
ऐसे ही बोलो. एग्जामिनर सच में बहुत अच्छे हैं सारे. वो आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं दिलाते। मुझे सारे स्टूडेंट्स आके बोलते हैं
और
एग्जाम
वो कंफर्टेबल फील करवा देते हैं अपने स्माइलिंग फेस के
मैम
साथ।
मैम मेरी तो जब एग्जाम थी ना, तब मेरे एग्जामिनर ने मुझे इशारा कर करके सब आंसर दिए थे।
मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ था, आई वाज अनलकी।
जब मैंने नया नया पढ़ाना शुरू करा तो मेरे पास एक स्टूडेंट था, बेचारा बड़ा वीक था पर बहुत मेहनती था। ही रियली वर्कड हार्ड। उसने बैठ जाना रजिस्टर लेके, सुबह 9 बजे से शाम को 5 बजे उसने लिखते रहना जो भी उसने सीखना। जब उसका पेपर हुआ, जो उसने किए हुए थे वो तो सारे बोल सकता था, जो उसने नहीं किए थे तो वो नहीं बोल सकता था। उसको आ गया लॉ ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट विच यू लाइक। अब उसने वो नहीं तैयार करा था और वो नहीं बोल सकता था। ओके
Oh my God.
तो उसने ना, उसको एग्जामिनर ने बोला कि ये क्यू कार्ड दिया, तो मेरे को कहता मैम मेरे को ये क्यू कार्ड आया। मैंने कहा फिर? कहता फिर एग्जामिनर ने मुझे देखा। मैंने कहा फिर तूने क्या बोला? कहता मैंने ऐसे कर दिया। फिर उसने रिकॉर्डिंग को पॉज करके ना मुझे बोला पेड़ नहीं काटने पे बना दे। तो कहता फिर मैंने ना फिर वो बोल दिया मैम अगेंस्ट कटिंग ट्रीज। तो मेरा फिर हो गया थोड़ा सा, मैंने बोला है he got
Ma'am, they do like this that they can post the
बहुत पुरानी बात है ये ना, आई थिंक 2007-8 की बात है। और ये तब उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला, तब मेरे पास ऐसे कोई क्यू कार्ड्स की लिस्ट भी नहीं होती थी। हम कुछ भी तैयार कराते थे और कुछ भी एग्जाम में आ जाता था। और मुझे याद है मैं कैसे कराती थी स्पीकिंग। मैं कराती थी चलो आज फेवरेट्स वाली स्पीकिंग करेंगे, तो सारे बच्चों से फेवरेट फ्लावर, फेवरेट एनिमल, फेवरेट बर्ड, फेवरेट रिलेटिव, फेवरेट टीचर, फेवरेट फ्रेंड, ऐसे ना सारे फेवरेट्स एक एक से सुनती जाती थी। अगले दिन कुछ और कराती थी, तीसरे दिन कुछ भी कराते थे, वहां कुछ भी और आ जाता था। ये तो मुझे जाके 2-3-4 साल पढ़ाने के बाद पता चला कि इनके क्यू कार्ड्स के पीछे भी कोई साइंस है। तो फिर वो जो साइंटिफिक थ्योरी थी वो देखी, पहचानी, फिर ये निकालने शुरू करे। अब आपको गेस वर्क दे रहे हैं कि ये करो, इन 60-70 में से आएगा। नहीं तो 200 भी करा देते थे और फिर भी वहां 200 फर्स्ट आता था। तो ऐसे तो अभी तो यू हैव समथिंग टू प्रिपेयर। ओके, और मैं फिर
ऐसे ही हुआ था।
ऑलवेज बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू गेट समथिंग न्यू ओवर देयर, ऑलवेज बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट। और ऐसे बोलो ही मत कि वो अगर कुछ और आ गया आप नहीं बोल पाओगे। जैसे एक स्टूडेंट को हमने कराया था टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट लेट फॉर एन ओकेजन, और उसको उसमें मैंने करा हुआ था कि रास्ते में एक्सीडेंट था, कोई हेल्प नहीं कर रहा था, हम हेल्प करने लग गए, वी गॉट लेट, और उसको क्यू कार्ड आ गया एक्सीडेंट यू विटनेस्ड। उसने वही वाला कन्वर्ट करके एक्सीडेंट में बोल दिया। ठीक है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड रखो, कुछ नया नहीं होता इनमें से आप। और मेरा एक और स्टूडेंट था जिसने पहली बार 2 महीने पढ़ने के बाद पहली बार ऐसे लिखा था 5.5 बैंड का। मैंने बोला तो तूने बड़ा अच्छा लिख दिया ऐसे। कहता मैम 2 लाइनें यहाँ से उधार ली, 2 लाइनें वहां से उधार ली, 2 लाइनें यहाँ से उधार ली, 2 लाइनें मैंने आपने कुछ बोली थी वहां से, फिर मैंने बना दिया, ये बन गया। मतलब you have to, when you study, when you practice, you can apply that in other things also. ऐसे पढ़ो कि वो अप्लाई हो जाए कहीं और। ठीक है, that is the way you have to work. आज की स्पीकिंग कैसी गई आप सबकी? सीखा कुछ?
बहुत बढ़िया रही मैम।
बहुत
Yes,
अच्छी थी आज।
तो आपके इंट्रो से हमने कर दिए हैं 20 आज। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll continue from 21 onwards the next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, do you have PDF of how often? How often?
Yes, formats की PDF है, मैं शेयर कर देती हूँ अभी, रिमाइंडर दे देना।
How often?
Ma'am,
How often?
How often do you often? Have you ever? ये मेरे formats बने हुए हैं, इनकी practice करो, they are very very good for you. Okay?
Ma'am, what will be the translation of a sentence is गलत दाम में?
Pardon?
मैम यदि translation की होगी इस गलत दाम में? This thing has a way in it.
This thing has a way.
Way in it.
It's important. ऐसे कोई word to word translation नहीं होती. Okay? This way, this thing is weighty, you can say. Yes. Okay. This thing is authentic. This thing is ऐसे word to word translation नहीं होती कई बार। इस गलत दाम।
There is weight in these words.
There's weight in this words. Yes, you can say like that. Yes. There are so many ways.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये फाइनल वर्जन और फर्स्ट वर्जन में क्या
2-3
अंतर
क्यू
है?
कार्ड नए ऐड हुए हैं, कुछ और नया नहीं है, सारा वही है। ओके, फाइनल वर्जन में सिर्फ 3-4 क्यू कार्ड्स हैं, 2 और 3 या 3 और 4 है नए हैं बस। रेस्ट ऑल इज द सेम। ओके,
ओके मैम।
और इंट्रो सेट्स में ना कुछ क्वेश्चंस में थोड़े फ्लॉज हैं, जैसे हाउ ऑफन डू यू टेक अ रेस्ट, अ नहीं होता, हाउ ऑफन डू यू रेस्ट आएगा, हाउ ऑफन डू यू टेक रेस्ट आएगा, ठीक है। ऐसे थोड़े थोड़े गलतियां हैं, बट बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में प्रिपेयर होती हैं ये। एक दिन में मिलते हैं, 2 दिन में पूरी टीम लग जाती है आंसर बनाने, टाइप करने और फिर एक फाइल तैयार करनी। सो डोंट गो बाय दीज आंसर्स। आप अपना बोल सकते हो, कुछ भी नेचुरल बोलो, don't focus on words, natural, that will fetch you the band score, okay। और इंट्रो सेट्स में ग्रामर जो मैंने आज आपको कराई है, साथ साथ इट के साथ एस वाला वर्ब, ओके, ऐसी चीजें मैंने आज कराई हैं। मॉडल, जो मॉडल क्वेश्चन में आंसर में आएगा, अगर हैव वाला क्वेश्चन है तो हैव आंसर में आएगा। तो ये सारी चीजों का ध्यान रखो, ओके, दैट इज इट। एंड प्रैक्टिस, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, प्रैक्टिस विद ईच अदर, ठीक है। चलो, आई एम एंडिंग द मीटिंग हियर एंड रिमाइंड मी टू शेयर द फॉर्मेट्स फाइल, ठीक है। चलो, ओके, बाय।
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.